Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm in the Nimtola rail stations. This is a very luxurious and very beautiful rail station that was established recently. And behind me, this is a person. He is sleeping and taking the rest. Very cold here because it's a hot day. But when I come here in the shadow place, I get the cold air and cold something like that. And the designs of these shelters or these stations is very beautiful, and no people here without employee, some only employee here. And I come here to visit this new looks and new place here, and this is the ended of the railway stations. And behind me the machine is working. When the trains come here and they try to show this, and they give the registers and something more like that. But this railway stations structures and more beautifulness and something is very glorious. Some pedestrians or some here come here to talk to some persons, and also in front of this there is a bridge. About this bridge I'm going to make a video, but later. But this video I'm just showing here. So the beautiful system, the beautiful pedestrian moment and something is. But if you see and look the behind and above me, you will see the shelter that was made with iron and something tin shed and something more like this. And beside me, this is a waiting room. When some persons are working for a long time, you can stay here and you can do something, take a rest. By the way, this rail station is far away compared to the similar or local rail station. This is one kind of local rail station because when the pedestrian has a lot of, they can use this and train similarly stops there. But usually the train never stops this station because when train comes from Borishal, Khulna, they directly go to our national stations, Kamalapur rail station. So this is the things here about these rail stations, that it's not a familiar in this area to use the rail station. When some person wants to go to one division to another division to save their money, at that time they use rail station. So for this reason, if you go to Rangpur, if you wanna go to Sylhet, Borishal, especially in these areas, people use the highway bus, AC bus. Do not use railway station. It's rare. But sometimes they use when they need actually. So when they need, they use railway stations. That's it. So no people except some few person here. It's a long time. I have to leave this place because I have a lot of tasks in my house and something more like that. But this video I'm going to end here, and more video I'll show later. At the time, keep practicing, keep doing, and something more like that. Goodbye for now. Assalamu alaikum.